Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Europa Universalis 5 not launching or crashing on PC. Let's jump straight into it. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library, find Europa Universalis 5, then right-click on it and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait until Steam finishes checking your files. It will automatically replace or repair any corrupted files. This step fixes most crashes caused by missing or damaged game data. Solution 2. Right-click Europa Universalis 5 again in your Steam library. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Browse Local Files. Open the Binaries folder. Right-click EU5.exe and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check. Run this program as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Now launch the game again and see if it works. Running as administrator ensures the game has all the permissions it needs to run properly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it, then expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to check for and install the latest driver available. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of crashes or launch issues. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it. Keeping your GPU driver updated ensures the best performance and stability with new games. Solution 5. Open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down and find the downloads for Visual C++ redistributables. Click on VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click on VC Redist x64 and download it too. Once both are downloaded, locate the files. Now follow these steps. Double-click vcredist.x64. Click Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for it to install. Click Close. Don't restart yet. Now, double-click vcredist.x86. Click Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for it to finish. Finally, restart your PC. These redistributables are required by many games to run properly, and reinstalling them fixes missing or corrupted system components. And that's it. You've just fixed Europa Universalis 5 not launching or crashing on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if your game is working now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.